Rhea Ripley, a WWE superstar, is focused on both Liv Morgan and the Women's World Championship. Recently, she shared a social media update that suggests her relationship with fellow Raw superstar Jey Uso is still going strong, despite previous tensions between her and Dominic Mysterio. Mysterio had betrayed Ripley at WWE SummerSlam, aligning himself with Morgan, which led to speculation about a romantic storyline between Ripley and Uso. Their interactions on screen ceased when Uso rejoined the OG bloodline, but Ripley's recent Instagram post featuring Uso's Saturday night's main event poster hints at a possible reunion. On the latest episode of Monday Night Raw, Ripley confronted Morgan, accompanied by Raquel Rodriguez and Mysterio, to declare herself the new #1 contender for Morgan's Women's World Championship. Although the championship match has yet to be officially announced, it is expected to occur during the upcoming Raw Netflix premiere. Wrestling veteran Tommy Dreamer commented on a recent podcast that the title match could take place on January 6, expressing concern that the feud has been prolonged. He noted that if Ripley loses again, she might need to switch brands, while a victory would solidify her status as a leading figure in the women's division. Morgan has previously defended her title against Ripley twice, but both encounters were marred by outside interference. As tensions escalate, fans eagerly anticipate how this storyline will unfold and whether Ripley can finally capture the championship.